If you're having trouble with a CalDigit dock on a Mac computer, I'd suggest an NVRAM reset and a power cycle. Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm part of the CalDigit support team, and I'm going to be walking you through these today. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is a power cycle of your CalDigit dock. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using the TS3 Plus, but you're more than welcome to use these suggestions on any CalDigit dock that we have. Now, in order to complete the power cycle, what we're going to be doing here is just going to take the power cord and unplug it. That's all it takes. When we're in this situation, some people might want to just go ahead and unplug the Thunderbolt 3 cord. It does seem like it will work at first, but unfortunately this is only going to make the TS3 Plus sleep and not actually disconnect it from power. Now, we're just going to go ahead and set that aside. Normally, you'd go ahead and leave it unplugged for about 30 to 45 seconds, but in this case, we're just going to go ahead and keep it unplugged until we're finished with the NVRAM reset. The next step is to go ahead and do the NVRAM reset. Now, in order to do the NVRAM reset, we're going to need to shut down your computer, so let's go ahead and go to your Apple symbol and select Shut Down. Now, while this is shutting down, let's go ahead and discuss keyboards. Right now, I'm going to be using the built-in Apple keyboard in order to go ahead and do this reset, but you can use any keyboard that's physically connected to your Apple computer. Now, please don't use any keyboard that's connected to your TS3 Plus, as your TS3 Plus is not currently plugged in, so that won't have any power. Now, once you have your keyboard set up, we're going to make sure we have your fingers in the right location. We're going to put your left thumb on the Command key, your left index finger over the R key or Romeo key. We're going to put your right thumb on the Option key, and we're going to put your right index finger over the P or Papa key. Now, in this one, we're going to go ahead and put our ring finger over the power button. That's going to be the Touch ID for you touch bar users. And we're going to press and release that power key, and then immediately and at the same time, press and hold Command, Option, P, and R. Now, during this time, you might see your computer have the Apple symbol come up and disappear, or you may even hear your Apple startup chime sound go off a couple times. This is completely normal, and we'll let you know that this is working correctly. Now, once you've done this for about 30 seconds, your computer will go ahead and start up on its own. Just let it start up, go ahead and log into your computer. And once your computer is fully booted into the operating system, let's just remember to make sure we go ahead and plug in the power cord into your CalDigit dock. Now, at this point, you have successfully completed an NVRAM reset and a power cycle. So thank you and congratulations on resetting these on your computer. Have a good day.